The AI landscape shifted in June 2026. These are the top 10 fastest-growing open-source repositories you need to watch. Developers are tired of fragmented tooling. Managing complex AI pipelines, models, and embeddings shouldn't be a nightmare. Open source is the answer. GitHub is seeing unprecedented velocity in agentic workflows and local model optimization. Number 1 on our list is Agentic-Core, a framework redefining how autonomous agents interact with local file systems. How do you start? It's just a single command away for any developer. Let's break down the language distribution. This repository is built on a high-performance foundation. The community behind this project is massive, with contributors worldwide driving constant innovation. Next up, Llama-Forge is dominating the model fine-tuning space with its unique UI and workflow. From zero to deployed, here's how developers are scaling their proprietary models using Llama-Forge. It's official. 98% of users report faster iteration cycles compared to legacy training methods. This isn't just about speed. It's about building production-grade intelligence that lasts. Ready to join the AI revolution? Start these repositories today and start building the future.